Good evening, everybody. Thank you very much indeed for coming to our Burns night at the Yacht Club. It's a splendid turnout. The first thing that will obviously happen is that the haggis will be piped in. There will be the occasion.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome to the Yacht Club. Once again, it is my pleasure to be able to perform the address to the haggis for you. So without further ado, I'll make muster. Feather follow your honest sonsy face, great chieftain of you the puddin' grease. Doon the law you attack your pace, paint, tripe and bairn, and well you worthy of a grace as lands my arm. The groaning trenchers, there you fill, your hurdies like a distant hill. Your pen would help to mend a mill in time o' need, whilst through your pores the dews distill like amber bead. His knife, see, rustic labour tight, and cut you with ready spite. Gushing your golden entrails bright like ony dish, and oh, what a glorious sight! Warren, Regan, rich. Hey, the piper! Excuse me. Shanjiva, that could be. Good man.
sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. Though the waves be soft and misty, ocean's a royal bed. Rocked in the deep, Flora will keep watch by your weary head. Speed, bunny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea to sky. One boat like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king.
I wanna know, I want to buy the wall. I wanna know, I want to leave. I wanna know, to buy the wall. Well, I'll come back and see you. As I went down to Wilson Town, I met a Johnny Score. Says I to him, will you hear? He says, hey man, it's not all. I wanna know, I want to buy the wall. I wanna know, I want to hear. I wanna know, I want to buy the wall. Oh, I'll come back and see you. So we had a half and a neither half, and then we had a neither. When John got full, he shouted, "Who is calm with milk forever?" I wanna know, I want to buy the wall. I wanna know, I want to be. So we wandered through the streets again, we cliquey and cheery. When John got in, his wife cries shame. I see your joy in your heart. If I were no one.
wedding. Over hill, way up and down, but old green and black and brown, as the shining through the town up to the St. Coonammy. Step we go, hill, hill and over go, farming on and grow from Mammy's wedding. Thank you, thank you.
Not for me, I've had a drink, thank you. Come on earlier. Thank you. Yes.
That'll keep me going.
I'll save it till it's time for Scotland the Brave.
1, 2, 3.
bit of dancing. Tremendous.
Okay, the next song I'm going to sing is Jock Stewart, but it could easily be your Commodore Richard, because I know he's a very generous man, if you listen to the words. Oh, my name is Jock Stewart, I'm a canny going man, and a rowdy young fellow I be. So be easy and free when you're drinking with me. I'm a man you don't meet every day. I have acres of land, I have men at command, I've always a shilling to spare. So be easy and free when you're drinking with me. I'm a man you don't meet every day. I took out my gun for to shoot down by the river so clear. So be easy and free when you're linking with me. I'm a man you don't meet every day. So fill up your glass with whiskey and wine, whatever the price Richard will pay. So easy and free when you're drinking with me. I'm a man you don't meet every day. Well, I've just come down from the Isle of Skye. I'm no very big, I'm awful shy, and the lassie shout when I go by, don't wear your trousers, let the wind blow high, let the wind blow low, through the streets of the guilt and go. All the lassies shout hello, don't wear your trousers. I went down to London town, ladies turned their heads around, some of them they gave a frown. Don't wear your trousers, let the wind blow high, let the wind blow low, through the streets of the guilt and go. All the lassies shout hello, don't wear your trousers. To wear the kilt is my delight, 'tis neither wrong, I know it's right. The Highlanders would give a fright if they saw me in my trousers. Let the wind blow high, let the wind blow low, through the streets of the guilt and go. All the lassies shout hello, don't wear your trousers. Well, the ladies want me, everyone will let them catch me if they can. Can he take the boots off the healing man? He don't wear no trousers. Let the wind blow high, let the wind blow low, through the streets of the guilt and go. All the lassies shout hello, don't wear your trousers.
On bonny banks and grave. The sun shines bright on the gloaming, where me and my true love will ever wait to be, on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Oh, I'll take the high road if you take the low, and I'll be in Scotland afore ye, and me and my true love will never enter on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Was there that we parted in the yon shady glen, on the steep, steep side up in Lomond, where in the purple hue the Highland hills we knew, and the moon shining out in the glow. Oh, you take the high road and I'll take the low, and I'll be in Scotland afore ye, and me and my true love will never meet again, in the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond.
Okay, well, we're going to play another tune now. This is one we've only just learned, and I actually love the title. It's Sophie's Dancing Feet, and it was composed by Ali Bain, a Scotsman. And I don't know, you can watch the North Atlantic sessions on TV. Hope you like it. Here we go. Sophie's Dancing Feet. 1, 2, 3.
you go, lassie, go?
I was going to do it anyway, but that's
Go, lassie, go. I will build my lover tower by yon crystal fountain, and on it I will pile all the flowers of the mountain. Will you go, lassie, go? And we'll all go together and pluck wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? For the sake of old lang syne, surely a noon and pine should swap, and surely by tonight we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
All together in!
For old lang syne, my dove, for old Thank you.